This model in the class I explained, right?
Sir, is it second option, sir?
You can check the keynote. Right?
Okay, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, it's correct, sir.
Very good. Others are doing right. It is easy one only. Why this much time you are taking? What still doing? He is asking percentage of B, right?
Sir, B and C both.
Yeah. Then percentage of B is equal to what?
K1 by K1 plus K2 into 100.
Yeah, K1 plus K2 into 100. K1 0.26.
1.26 into 10 power minus 4
Yeah,
divided by 1.64 into 10 power minus 4, sir. Like addition will be
yeah. Plus this you do
0.38 into 10 power minus 4.
like if you take in the same unit, the value you can do it. And you are getting how much this is? 76%, huh? Mohit, second option?
Yes, the second option is correct.
Yeah. So 100 minus, if you do this, you will get the percentage of C. Need not to solve.
Yes, sir.
Because only two are there. 23.17, that's it. This model.
Yes, sir.
We'll do a concept. After that, I will do the sums. What was the last concept which we have done? Factors affecting rate of reaction. Am I right? Everyone in the class, have you understood this sum?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Total 18 only came. Our strength is more, right? Okay, ma. Next. Fact what we did, Nikita?
So we did the factors affecting rate of reaction. We wrote nature of reactant, concentration, effect of temperature we did. Further we have to write. Sir.
Yeah, wait, in this we have to discuss. Effect of temperature we are done, right?
Yes, sir. That was the last thing we
Then
did.
that formula. Coefficient is equal to KT.
Yeah, temperature coefficient, right?
That one we have written, that's all, sir.
And given one problem also.
Yes, sir. We did one.
We did
Yeah,
one.
one problem also we did. Yeah, that is important. A problem what I gave. Next, after that, Arrhenius gave one relation, temperature dependence. Okay, note down the statement. Arrhenius, note it down. Arrhenius gave an equation, which effect of temperature on rate constant. K is equal to A into e to the power minus EA by RT. Note it down all this. What is the meaning of absolute temperature?
So Kelvin.
Very good. Temperature is expressed in Kelvin scale. It is called very. Yeah. Copied, huh?
Done, sir.
One which you have written below Arrhenius equation is also formula only.
Listen here. Arrhenius equation is to A into e to the power EA by RT. What is K here?
Rate constant.
A is Arrhenius factor. This Arrhenius factor is what? It depends on the nature of that chemical reactant. It has fixed value for that, constant. EA, activation energy. Do you have any idea about the activation energy? No means I will explain anyhow next heading that only. Next gas constant, and all of you written this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now then. Yeah, same equation. I don't know the form of Okay. This is what I gave here. Okay, I apply the log. If I put ln k, this will be ln a. E power will become here, EA by RT, right?
Yes, sir.
I am writing different forms. I ask the graph, that is why. If I want to convert into log form, then I have to multiply, right? 2.303. In the class I told you, natural log is equal to what?
2.303 into log to the base 10.
Into log. Okay, base 10. So I can write this. Listen, everyone. I am writing this equation. Okay, I am converting this natural log and divided by 2.303. Then equation becomes log k is equal to log a minus ea by 2.303 RT. Is it correct what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
What I did a natural log to log. So for that conversion, total equation is multiplied with the 2.303. 2.303 log k, 2.303 log a minus 2 ea by RT. Then I divided whole equation with 2.303. So here 2.303, here 2.303 will get cancelled. Here 2.303 will be remain. Everyone understood this formula?
Yes, sir.
Now, here you will get graphs. That is very, very important. Now, see. Logs and numerical problems will come here. First, I will give the total different forms. Then I will go for the log. This equation. Now, at two different temperature, then it will become ratio log K2 by K1. The log A will get cancelled at two different temperatures. EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. This equation will come. Based on this week you will get problems. These two formulas very, very important. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
After talking, then
Done, sir.
you will get numericals on this. Okay. Yeah. Next, after that. Now tell me how the graph will be if I plot log k versus 1 by t. Log k versus 1 by t. Tell me. Is it positive positive slope or negative slope?
Negative.
We are plotting a graph. This versus this. Slope is multiplying factor minus it is.
Yes,
So you will get a graph like this. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Then what is the intercept?
Log A.
Log A. So slope will be minus EA by
Minus EA by 2.303.
intercept will be,
Log A.
yeah, note it down. Very good. Copy this. Based on graph or this. They will give what? Slope value. Slope value they will give and they will ask you to calculate activation energy. So you have to see activation energy in which unit it is given. In the same unit R value you have to take. Are you following? For example, slope value is given 23 kilocalories. What is activation energy? They will ask you. Then what you have to do? Minus EA by 2.303 R is equal to 23. So it should be multiplied with 2.303 into 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same unit you have to do. And also don't forget that calories, kilocalories. If kilocalories is there, 10 power minus 3 into 2, right? That kind of questions possibility. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next heading, effect of catalyst. Everyone copied graph?
So that is also a factor affecting rate of reaction.
Yeah, we are discussing factors affecting. One is nature of reactant, number 2, concentration, number 3, temperature, number 4, catalyst.
Okay.
Tell me how catalyst will affect?
So catalyst will increase the rate of reaction.
Very good. Now, what is catalyst actually?
So a substance which does not take part in a reaction but just increases the speed of it.
No, that is why I asked you. There is a,
Not get
if one part,
the reaction. It does not get consumed in the reaction.
very good. Yeah, note it down. Effect of catalyst, reading? Note down. A chemical substance, which increases rate of reaction by reaction pathway, a chemical substance which increasing rate of reaction by changing reaction pathway and decreasing activation energy written.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Copy this graph. Is called as catalyst. Okay. How that is increasing rate of reaction, that is called catalyst. Now, energy, reaction, coordinate, or it is called time. With the time, what example is It is like this. Without if I put a catalyst with catalyst. In the presence of catalyst, the graph, in the absence of catalyst, graph is like it. That is why I told it is changing reaction pathway. It is changing reaction pathway. Earlier, how the reaction path like this. Now the reaction path is like this. What is this? It is energy. Means, listen here, those reactant molecules which reaches this energy only converted into product. Okay, in the absence of the if I use catalyst, this much energy is sufficient for the conversion into product. For example, I will take those students who got 99.6 percentile are eligible get into admission in IIT Surathkal, for example. This is a merit order. Okay, this is normal condition, that is without catalyst. If due to corona, then we are giving them those who scored 99 percentile also can get the seat in IIT Surathkal if they told. Then what happens? Number of students getting the seats will increase or decrease?
Increase.
So here what corona did, reduce the percentage. So many are getting into that. If you add the catalyst, if catalyst reduces this limiting energy which required to convert the product, then many reactants will convert it into product. Reactants are converting into products means the rate of reaction is increasing only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is this energy which I put above, which is given below? After this graph, I am going to explain collision theory. In that it comes. Now just you copy the graph as it is. One is without catalyst, one is with catalyst. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone copy that. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, note. Important. Note. Catalyst can alter catalyst can alter number one, rate of reaction. Number two, path of reaction. Number three, activation energy. Number four, threshold energy. What and all, I will explain what they are. Number five, rate constant. Note down. Done? All of you copied that? Mohit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Next. Number 2. Note 2. Catalyst does not alter. Catalyst does not alter change in free energy, delta G. Energy of reactants and products. Energy of reactants and products. Enthalpy of reaction. Entropy of reaction. Entropy of reaction.
So delta H is?
Delta H is enthalpy.
And delta S is entropy.
Thermodynamics we did know.
Okay, sir.
Entropy. Entropy is measure of randomness, Nikita. N is this. This is free energy, right?
Huh.
Gives free
Gives
energy.
energy.
Yeah. Copied, huh? Collision theory of reaction rate. It is important theory. Collision theory of reaction rates. Or concept of activation energy. Activation energy is denoted with the letter EA. Oh, didn't switch on this. Okay, have you kept the heading?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Listen. Now, what are the points in this? So you take one reactant. This is a container. This you are doing reaction. Okay. Now, see, do you remember states of matter? We discussed kinetic molecular theory of gases. What will happen here? The reactant to participate in a chemical reaction, they should undergo collisions, right? First point,
Yes,
the reacting molecules should undergo collisions. Second point, all the collisions do not lead to the products. Third point, those reactant molecules which have sufficient amount of energy are called as activated molecules. These collisions between the activated molecules, the product. collisions between the activated molecules only will give the product in the proper orientation. In the proper orientation. Okay, what is that minimum energy required is called as threshold energy. Just now we saw what is threshold energy? The minimum amount of energy which is required for the reactants to convert is called threshold energy. And orientation is required, proper orientation. All these factors by considering, they will convert it into product. Is it clear? I will repeat. Number one, reactant molecules to convert into product, they should undergo collisions. First point. Second point, all the collisions do not lead to the formation of product. Third point, those reactants which have minimum amount of energy for the conversion into product, they are called as activated molecules, and that energy is called threshold energy. Collisions between them will give into the product. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You want me to dictate these points, or you will study from the, we send the photos from that?
Sir, can you dictate the points?
Yeah, right. Number one. To take place chemical reaction, reactant molecules should undergo collisions. Written. Number two, all the collisions do not lead to the formation of products. Next point. The collisions between the activated molecules leads to the formation of product. Only leads to the formation of product. Only leads to the formation of product. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The reactant molecules which possess minimum amount of energy for the conversion into product for the conversion into product. Is called as threshold energy. Next, the energy of reactant molecules. The energy of reactant molecules always less than threshold energy. The energy of reactant molecules always less than threshold energy. Always less than threshold energy. Next. The energy difference between threshold energy and energy of the reactants. The energy difference between threshold energy and energy of the reactants is called as activation energy.
So threshold energy and
Energy of reactants. The energy difference between threshold energy and energy of reactants is called as activation energy. Next point. Rate of reaction inversely proportional to activation energy. Rate of reaction inverse to activation energy. Next point. Number of binary collisions per unit time. Number of binary collisions per unit time. Number of binary collisions per unit time is called collision frequency. Is called collision frequency. We are denoting with a capital Z. Collision frequency. This is nothing but Arrhenius factor A. Collision frequency is nothing but Arrhenius factor A. So ZRA you can write. ZRA. written. So I can write rate is equal to Z binary collisions, A molecule, B molecule reactant. So just you can write Z into e to the power minus EA by RT also I can write. Z or A both are same. Their rate constant I have taken here rate. Now Z is what? How to calculate this? Pi sigma square AB under root 8 KT by pi nu Na outside this Na into Nb.
Sir, it is whole root or only for 8 KT root is there?
Only 8 KT pi. Na Nb outside.
No, sir. Pi u also has a root.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nu is called reduced mass. The sigma AB is called collision diameter. T is temperature, K is constant, pi is 22/7. Na, Nb are number of molecules. Number of reactant A molecules. Nb is number of B molecules. You won't get any problem. They may ask you which is the correct form like that.
Sir, reduced mass formula?
Reduced mass, so that is physics it comes, right? When they are colliding each other, then the loss in mass.
I forgot, sir.
So we don't have any problem on this, I told you, right? Just the formula. This is physics related. Only formula, that's it. You do, how will you solve without calculator in the exam? Any problem comes here. You won't get any problem here.
Okay, sir.
This you write only Z, collision frequency, don't write A. Collision frequency, write only Z. Have you copied, huh? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Put here next point. Collision between activated molecules. Collisions between activated molecules in, don't write in again, improper it comes. Collisions between the activated molecules, proper orientation only converts into products. Only converts into products.
Sir, can you please repeat the statement?
Collisions between the activated molecules, comma, proper orientation. Only I thought in improper orientation. If you combine this, improper it comes. That is why I avoided this. What I thought to tell you, rate of reaction between the activated molecules in proper orientation gives convert into the product. The negative meaning will come now.
Okay, sir.
That is why just put comma and proper orientation only converts into products. Next, write this formula. Rate of reaction is equal to collision frequency into activated molecules. What are activated molecules? Which possess threshold energy, right?
Yes.
Into probability factor. Will gives the product. So I can write R is equal to Z into F into P. So activated molecule, collision frequency and proper probability factor. K is equal to Z P, F is minus EA by RT. Activation energy, whatever contains e to the power RT. This will write K is equal to A into e to the power EA by RT, like this. Copy this. One graph I will explain and I will stop. Copied up.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Yes, tell me.
So probability factor is rho or P?
PP.
Okay, sir.